A lot of coding boot camps, you see people go through it and you see some people don't get a job. Some people are, still figuring out if they learned enough. But with Coding Temple, I was pretty comfortable with it because I knew Ripple, and Ripple, walked me through all the syllabuses. He introduced me to people that have gone through the courses where they've worked. So I was very comfortable going into that boot camp just because of the resources he provided. The Python plus data program was great. Being able to learn Python was a very key skill. And not only Python, but learning about NumPys, pandas, really taught me to look at a problem, break it down into small pieces, and attack it one by one. The atmosphere that they built for me was key for my learning. Coming in, seeing the students were engaged with the instructors, and the instructors were engaged with our progress and how we were learning. So being able to go through Coding Temple, being able to do the projects and the final projects, it gave me the confidence that I needed to succeed in the real world.